Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw an Arceus Pokeball Surprise fold featuring Rayquaza inside of it. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Arceus Pokeball Surprise fold, let's begin by folding our paper. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to fold it in half like I'm making a birthday card. So I'm just going to line up the corners and I'm going to give it a nice fold. Then I'm going to line up the corners one more time, and I'm going to give it another nice fold like this. This way it kind of looks like a bookmark. Now when I open it up, I have these nice little guidelines that show me where I need to keep the inside of my drawing at. And when I turn it like this, I can open it up, and I have the nice surprise. Now to start off with this, we need to make the Arceus ball. And I'm actually going to trace something so I can make a really nice circle. So I'm just going to put this right on here, and I'm going to go ahead and trace it. So I'm going to start here, and I'm just going to make the top, so I have a nice sad face at the top. And then I'm going to trace the bottom so that I have a nice smiley face at the bottom. Now let's start at the top here first. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make a little bump like this at the top. And I'm going to make a little line that's going to come up, it's going to go over, and then down. And then I'm going to make another little bump on each side here. Now, right here in the middle, I'm going to make a decent-sized sad face for the top of the ball. And I'm going to draw a line that comes straight across here. And then I'm going to make a line that comes straight across here. Next, I'm going to make a little curve shape, and then another little curve shape right here. And then right inside of here, I'm going to make a little sad face. And then right here, I'm going to make a happy face. Right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes out. I'm going to come down. We're going to go up and over. And then we're going to make a little skinny oval shape here. Almost kind of looks like part of a zipper. Then right here, I'm going to draw a little curved line here and a little curved line here. Next, I'm going to make a line that comes out, and we're going to curve to here. I'm going to curve up and bring it over to here for the Arceus ball. Now our next step is we need to open this up and draw the inside. Now, once we open this up, we have two halves of our Arceus ball. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw this line down a little bit, and I'm going to draw these lines up a little bit. Then I'm just going to draw a line across to connect them. And then same thing here, we're going to draw a line across to connect it. And then I'm just going to bring all these lines down. And then I'm just going to bring this line up and this line up. And I'll do the same thing here too. Now, we have to put a Pokemon in here, and there's so many different Pokemon that you can choose from. Lots of different legendary ones. You can really do whatever. So I thought it would be fun to draw Rayquaza in here. So to start off with Rayquaza, I'm just going to begin with the eye. So let's draw a line that's going to curve down. Then I'm going to come over, down and up, and then back here. I'm going to make a circle and a little black dot inside of there for the pupil. And I'm actually just going to color this whole part in because this whole part of the eye is going to be black, so we can just color this part in. Right above the eye, we're going to go up to a point and down. Then I'm going to curve this down for the front of the nose. I'm going to bring this up and down to here. Then I'm going to bring this down for the mouth. I'm going to bring this up with a couple points, and I'm going to curve it up. I'm going to bring this out a couple points, and then up. I'm going to put a tooth here and a tooth right here. I'm going to draw a line down with a couple little points. Then I'm going to bring it to here. Next, I'm going to come here with a couple points and bring it down. I'm going to bring this up and then back to here. Bring this line out and curve it up. I'm going to bring this line out down to a point in here. We'll kind of curve it in. Next, I'm going to bring this line out. We're going to come over and then back up. And then we're going to curve this line down. And then I'm going to bring it right down here to the Pokeball. I'm going to make a little line that comes up, over, and down. And then a little line over here too. I'm going to curve this line down to here. And then I'm going to come up and then over to here. I'm going to make one of his little hands kind of coming out of here. So I'm going to start by making a curved line with a point. And then one here. And then one right here. Bring this up and down. Bring this one around here. And then we'll bring a curve right around here. Make a little line here. And then we'll connect a line here. One here. And then one right across. Then I'll make two lines that come down. Next, I'm going to go down and around. And I'm going to bring it around here. Same thing down, curve it around, and bring it around here. And there you go. There is your drawing of an Arceus Pokeball with Rayquaza in it. When we have it all closed up, it's just a typical Arceus ball, and then when we open it up, we see Rayquaza popping out of it. And there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.